It's a devil fruit encyclopedia. There is no mention of a gum-gum fruit. This must be something else. He's so beautiful. I knew this was fate. He was brought here to me.
Hey, do you know what's happening here? Then talk!
Yeah, bro, that's our captain! What's going on with him?
There is a figure from the ancient past. A god from the old texts.
A god? I'm sorry, Luffy? Stupid incarnate Luffy?
Dang, Luffy has become this god?
Yes. The warrior of liberation. He who plays the fool and brings smiles to all. There's no mistaking him. He is the sun god, NIKA!